In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your email to Hubspot CRM in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your email becomes seamlessly integrated with HubSpot, allowing you to manage communications effectively and streamline your workflow. First, let's start by heading over to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to get to HubSpot's homepage. Once there, glance over to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it, as that will direct you to the sign-in page. Upon arriving at the sign-in page, HubSpot offers you the convenience of logging in using your Google account. Click on Sign in with Google, which will prompt a window listing your Google accounts. From the list, select the account you wish to use with HubSpot. Once you've successfully logged in, locate the Settings option positioned in the top right corner of the interface. Clicking this will take you into the Settings area, where you can personalize and configure various aspects of your HubSpot account. Now, within the Settings menu, navigate to the Email tab located at the top. This is where all your email settings reside, and it's pivotal for connecting your email to HubSpot. Click on the Email tab to proceed. Next, look for the option labeled Connect Personal Email. Selecting this will initiate the process of integrating your email account with HubSpot. Following this, you'll see an option that says Connect Your Inbox. Click on that, serving as the final initiation step for linking your email inbox with HubSpot. Type in your email address when prompted. Ensure it's the same one you use regularly, as this will become the primary communication channel through HubSpot. Once you've entered your email, click on Next to proceed to the next stage of the process. You will now see an option to connect to Gmail. Click on this to commence the Gmail connection process. A prompt will appear asking you to continue, verify these details, and click Continue, which will advance you to the next step. Finally, you will need to select your Gmail account. A list of your Gmail accounts will appear, and from this list, choose the account you wish to connect to HubSpot. And there you have it. Your email is now successfully connected to HubSpot CRM, enabling you to utilize all the features and tools HubSpot offers for efficient email management and communication. Remember, integrating your email isn't just about syncing accounts, it's about automating responses, monitoring conversations, and boosting productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and guides on optimizing your HubSpot experience.